Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how we can make our Facebook account completely private, which means you're limiting the audience, you're limiting the people who can see your profile, who can message you, and who can tag you, everything. So let's see how we can make our profile completely private. First of all, you need to open the Facebook account. As you can see on the right side of my video, you can see this is the opening window of any Facebook account in Facebook application. If you are browsing Facebook using your Facebook application, it's gonna be your default window. So first of all, you just log into your Facebook account. You can see your timeline there and friend suggestions. First of all, you need to click on the three lanes right side top. You can see three lanes, which is public option, see more option, and when you go down you can see the settings and privacy option. Click on it, and then privacy shortcuts. So it will open the privacy shortcuts, and when you open the privacy shortcut, when you scroll down you have different options are available. So in this way we are making our account private, completely private. So first of all, let's click on see more privacy settings. So you will get a window like this, and go to your activity option. In your activity you can choose the audience of your Facebook Facebook post. If you're posting something on your timeline, you want to hide it to specific people, friends or connections, friends except some of your friends you want to hide. So in this way you can make your future post. You can just set the future audience, like only me means only you can see the post. There is no meaning if you are posting, but you can, if you want to save something, you can go with this option. And once you are clicking on limit who can see the post, you can see that limit who can see post is available, which means you can hide the post from the older post from public to friends. You cannot make it private like only me, but you can limit the public post to friends only. So that's applicable to all the posts from your first post till the date. And the next option, who can see the people, pages and list you follow. You're following a couple of people, couple of pages. So if you want to hide it, you can go with only me, and you have similar option like friends, specific people you can choose. And who can see your stories. You're posting stories on your Facebook, so normally it's public. You can make it friends and connection. It will be able to see by friends and messenger connections, and if you want to show only to friends, you can go with friends. And custom option to choose the friends, specific friends, to see your stories. So you can search their name. Normally you will get the friend list there, but I don't have any friends on my account, this account, so that's why you are not able to see any friends name there. So go back, and also you can choose specific friends, story sharing only with specific friends. That is called custom option. And hide story from is also available to hide from specific people. So that is story settings. Better you go with friends if you want to share only the stories with friends. And highlights also similarly you have option. The audience you can choose who can see your highlights. Public is there, friends is there. Custom you can choose specific people, and similarly you can remove specific people so that they cannot see your highlights, story highlights. And when you click on story privacy, when you click more, you can see story privacy is there, story archive option is there, story highlights are there. So you can choose from here as well. That's only for stories, story management. Actually sharing your story is nothing but that we have discussed already. Sharing story Sharing stories, it's actually um, you have posted something. Suppose you have some stories and other people can share your story, so you can disable this sharing option by making it no, so that the people cannot share your story, and allow people to share your story if you mention them. You mention someone in your story, but you don't want to enable sharing option to that specific person, then you can go with the second option and no. Story archive is nothing but saving your all the stories. You can choose it if you want to save the stories to archive. That will be seen to you only, not your friends or anyone else. You can make it enabled if you want to see the highlights, story history, and highlights we discussed already. You can choose specific people or can hide it from specific people or specific friends, or you can make it to all your friends and public if you want to show it to the people. So that's how you can hide the story highlights. And muted stories is the stories, yeah, that you have muted from your friends. So go back, and next option is who can send you friend request. At present, normally in Facebook everyone can send friend request. You can make it friends of friends, so that only friends of your friends can send you friend request. You don't have any other option in making it only me, like that. And who can see your friend list? You can make it only me, so that even your friends cannot see your friend list, how many people are there or who are there. So that's usually I make it only me. I don't want to show my friend list to everyone, so this could be a good privacy option. And who can look up you the email address? So it has to be made only me, because if the people they have your email ID, they can find your Facebook account. So better you make it only me. Even you no need to share it with your friends. If you want, you can make it friends also. Who can look up you using the phone number you provided? Make it only me, so that the people who have your number cannot find you. And allow search engines outside of Facebook linked to your profile. It's better to be off, because if the people they search or your name on Google or some other search engines, it will be displayed if you have enabled this one. So better you disable, so that it will not show on any search engines. It will take some days to hide our profile from internet. So that is the basic important options that you have to be careful about. And let's check this one. This is your about tabs. You can make it one by one private, like you can change your home city, everything that we'll discuss. Let's see what is here. You can see what you share. This one, it's verifying what are the details shared. You can see my email address is shared with friends. You can make it only me, and my birthday date is shared there. It's not my birthday actually, but I put it like that. And you can make it only me, so that the people they will not know your birthday. And hometown, you can make it only me. Current city Dubai, you can make it only me. And your work location, you can make it only me if you wish. Your education, whatever you have, friends and following, you can make it only me, so that the people they will not see. But if you want to make it friends only, if you have a few friends and you want to show where you're working and your birthdays, so in this case you can go with this one. Blocking is another option. You can directly block one person here, maybe your enemies or your rivals, whoever. You can just search their names. If they are on Facebook, if you know their Facebook name, you can see them and directly block them. So I just put Shamir, my name. You can see there is thousands of Shamir. I want to block. If I want to block all of them, you can block. You can make it more than your friend list, because you have a limit of Facebook friends 5,000, but you don't have a limit for your block list. Okay, how to keep your account secure? This is I suggest you to make this one for better safety. You can enable all these three options for us to know if there is any illegal login or login attempt, so your Facebook account will be secure. Whenever somebody else try to log in, it will be automatically pop up on your Facebook application and email. So that's how you can make your account secure. And how people can find you on Facebook, we discussed this already. And who can send you friend requests, we have chosen it's friends of friends. And if there is any pending friend request, you can confirm it or you can delete it. It will be shown in the friend request section. And phone number, email, we have, as I have shown, it's already made to only me, so that the people cannot find me by email or mobile number. Your data settings on Facebook, click on it. You can see the apps and websites linked with our Facebook account. At present I don't have any apps or websites to remove, but you can remove if something is linked to your Facebook account. And learn more with privacy basics, click on it. And let's go down for more option. Okay, it's loading. Let's see. About option, I think. Okay, this is basically a gate. Let's we don't need it because this is what I'm showing you. Okay, now let's click on our profile to see how our Facebook account will look like for the public. So and also we can edit the public details before we proceed. You can see the home, time, featured photos, everything will be there. This is temporary account, that's why I don't have anything on my profile. It's only for a tutorial purpose I made. You can make your Facebook profile picture only me, so that the people cannot see your profile. They can just see your picture in a small size. They cannot click on the picture and see it in complete size. But for cover picture, you don't have that option. Cover picture will be automatically public and you cannot make it only me or friends. That's something you need to know. When you go with privacy, you can see we don't have option for making it. Now this I'm showing public view. You can see public cannot see anything. They cannot send me friend request. So that is public view of my account. If you want to exit, just click on exit view. And let's go to edit profile. And let's make some bio. I'm an engineer by profession, working in Dubai or DXB. Save. It's a public actually. Bio is public right now. And let's see if my work location, network engineer at Ajman Free Zone, and my studied universities are there. And current city is workplace, everything you can add. And here it's very easy for us to manage it. We can give custom settings, privacy for each option. Now you can see I have added Dubai as my hometown or currently living location. And when you click on the public view, you can see that Dubai United Arab Emirates is displayed because it's already in public, that description. But if you make it friends or only me, it will not be shown. Normally it will not make only me, because if you are making it only me, we don't need to add it. So usually friends or public. When you save and when you go to the public view, it will not be shown there. And also similarly, you can make all of your option public, friends only or only me, so that you can choose the settings for your home city, hometown, your other public info. So that is how you can make it completely private. I prefer, if you are privacy concerned, you will go with friends option, and if you don't want to add it, if you want to make it only me, then no need to add it. If Facebook asking, that's fine, you can give it the options, but usually the people who are privacy concerned, they can make it only me, or friends, not only me, for public profile information, same like bio and the topics that we have discussed. So once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification, and thank you once again. Bye bye.